Hiccups could happen anywhere, amidst a phone conversation, while at work, or when lying down to sleep. Hiccups are those annoying involuntary fits that make it nearly impossible to do anything comfortable. Hiccups are little more than a reflex. You get them when the vagus nerve or one of its branches, which runs from the brain to the abdomen, is irritated. Experts say hiccups are most often a reaction to common digestive disturbances, and they are usually more of a nuisance than anything else. Here are few techniques that can be tried on your own and easily, no matter where you are. These may just help you overcome those irritating hiccups. Overloading the nerve endings in the mouth with a sweet sensation may do the trick. Have a teaspoonful of sugar. This way, the sugar overload will pack the most punch.